Fell asleep.
What are we doing, Papa?
Nothing.
Nothing? Say, we're going to the trains. Poppy, look. Salem. Are you excited for the train?
No.
What? You're joking.
What? No.
Slow it down. You're too fast. Guys, we made it to the Griffith Park train lights. We actually did this our first Vlogmas with Salem, but we went too early and it was light out, so we didn't get to see all the Christmas lights lit up. I'm gonna link the vlog. It's so cool to vlog. If you want to vlog, start vlogging, because every time I have a good memory, I'm like, oh, remember when we did this? And the good thing is that it's on YouTube. It's vlogged. I've recorded it. So if you want to ever vlog, you should vlog. That's all I gotta say. But Robert and Urban are waiting in line right here. Literally right there. And me and Salem are just playing until it's our turn. Yes, but happy Vlogmas day 4. We're going to the trains.
You can visit me.
Hi,
Wow.
Beautiful.
Papa.
She's a trooper.
At least she's comfy. Penguins for Auntie Nana.
What's that?
It's neon.
So cute.
So what?
You think it's scary?
Happy New Year.
Another year around the sun, Papa. This is cute.
Banana swing.
Did you love the train?
The white swing.
Yes, let's go off. Quick. That was very fun to do. A quick little train ride. How was it, Salem? Was that fun?
Have you heard of a woman called Shoddy Bay?
Of course I have. Who doesn't know Shoddy Bay?
I just found out who she was today.
Living under a rock. I love that.
I really don't want to hit this person.
We're going to get some food now, but that was such a fun little excursion. Worth it.
Shout out, Dad.
Shout out Daddy for taking us to the trains. Urban's first train ride.
She was wrapped up like a hot tamale.
She loved it, kind of. I think she was kind of emotionless.
She was looking up the whole time. Well, I mean, she couldn't really look any other spot, but.
All right, you guys, we just got home. We grabbed pizza for dinner. I just realized me and Urban are matching. And me and Salem are matching. We both have, well, I have 2 braids and Salem has 1. Papa, Do you want to open your advent calendar? Let's do that right now. Come on. Let's do our advent calendar. I can't get it. This will have to work. Okay, Baba, it's the 4th. Open number 4. Salem has opened. You saw the first one, you missed second and third. The second one was a white little race car. The third one was a red, like, I don't know what kind of car. Open number 4. Where's 4? Look for 4. Look for number 4. Where is number 4? Let's show it. I see 4. Do you see 4? No. That's not 4. 4 is right here. Open it. No, that was one. Lift that one. Yep. What is that?
Is it?
Traffic cones and some signs. Let me see them.
A cone. Big cone.
Woohoo! Salem's doing so well with the advent calendar. He doesn't open all of them at once. He only opens the one that he's supposed to. So that's good. Oh, here's the red one. This is what Salem got on day 3. Can you show?
Okay.
Show your car.
Ready, set, go!
Yeah, he's doing really good. Yeah, that's gonna be the end for today. I'm gonna keep vlogging like probably tomorrow. And it's gonna be on this vlog, but we're closing it up for today. Urban loved the train. She loved the lights. I love that we're matching. But I will see you guys tomorrow, actually. Good night. Let me see it. What color is it?
Red,
Yellow.
yellow.
You have one more you could open. Open number 7. Right here.
Can I help you, Mama? 4. 4. 4. 4. One.
That one's cool. It's like a Jeep. Where's the other one?
Right here.
No, Bubba, you only got open 2 today. These are nice. Show me. Let me see them.
No, see him.
Oh, okay. 2 yellow cars.
Ta-da.
Beautiful.